Hello guys and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First go to Settings, then tap on Battery. After that, select Low Power Mode and make sure it is turned off. If Low Power Mode is enabled, it can prevent apps from working properly in the background. Once that's done, go back to Settings and scroll down to Apps. Find and tap on WhatsApp. Here, make sure that background app refresh is turned on. Next, tap on Notifications and make sure that notifications are fully enabled. Turn on all the necessary options, including sounds and alerts. After that, open WhatsApp notification settings and ensure that all notification options are turned on there as well. That's it. This should fix the issue of WhatsApp calls not ringing on your device. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.